low-carb side. And I'm realizing it's also a good vegan side as well. We're going to be using field roast sausage, and this is their smoked apple sage flavor. I have 2 links left, so we're going to use this in our green beans. All right, so let's cut it up and get to cooking. Over to the side, and today I'm going to be using my new little fryer here. I'm so excited. I like new kitchen gadgets. So I'm just going to turn this on. All right, so our little skillet here is nice and hot. I'm so excited. I love using my new stuff, y'all. I do. I love it. Ugh. All right, so I'm putting my onions in. You hear them sizzling. Listen to them sizzle. And now we're just going to add in our sausage, our field roast sausages. Now you can cut back on the onion if you want. That's about, depends on how many green beans that you're using. I'm going to be using a full bag of green beans that you get out of the produce section. It's a 1-pound bag. And for this 1-pound bag, I used 1 small onion, a complete small onion. All right, so let's mix this up real good. Y'all, this smells good. This field roast sausage. I learned about this from Tabitha Brown when she made field. This is actually the very first video I saw of Tabitha when she had field roast sausage, and she was eating it. She had made herself a breakfast scramble, and she had field roast for the first time, and so she went on camera to talk about it, and she was making it look so good that I had to get me some. And, you know, God is awesome. Tabitha has just been blessed with a new show on the Ellen Network. And I was blessed to have the opportunity to interview her back in 2018 before she became all big and famous. She was already awesome, but I had the opportunity to talk to her, and she shared her testimony with me on my podcast. So I'll leave the link to that podcast so you all can listen to it. It was a great, great interview, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity that I had to talk with her. But at any rate, so this is smelling good. Now to this, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Now add that in there. Get that mixed in really, really good. And right here is where we're going to add in our 1-pound bag of green beans. These have already been washed and ready to go. And oftentimes I'll go ahead and wash them anyway. I didn't. I wish I had just now. I just dumped them in there. And pray over the Lord blessings in Jesus' name. Because usually I'll go on and wash these anyway. But I don't know what I was thinking just now. But at any rate, let's go on and get them in here. And let's mix that up really good. Y'all, this is smelling so unbelievably delicious. Okay? I'm not lying. I'm not lying. It's smelling so good. Okay? All right, let's add some seasoning to this. All right, to this we're gonna add some pink Himalayan sea salt. Okay, and this is about a teaspoon. We're gonna add a half a teaspoon of paprika. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And we'll mix that around. We're going to add pepper. See how simple this is? I mean, so simple. Not much to it at all. All right, and we're gonna mix this up again. This steel roast sausage. My Lord, it's got it going on. All right, so right here, we're going to turn our heat down. And we're going to cover this. And we're gonna let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, our green beans are now ready, y'all. They smell so good. Let's put these on a plate and let's give them a taste. Green bean side, quick, easy, so full of flavor. You are going to love it. If you have not yet subscribed to Sincerely Legenia, go ahead and click that subscription button now and click the notification bell while you're at it. Don't forget to leave me a comment to let me know you're here and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys get an opportunity to try these green beans with this delicious field roast sausage. I promise you, you are going to love it. These are amazing. So until next time, have a blessed, my goodness. Yeah. Have a blessed, I was trying to do a different closing. Until next time, everybody, have a blessed and prosperous week, and I'll talk to you guys next time in the next video. Sincerely, Legenia. Bye. Y'all, this field roast sausage is so good.